In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a promo code in Nike. Let's make sure you're getting the best deal possible on your next purchase. First, you need to be on the Nike website and have the items you want in your shopping cart. Once you have everything ready, it's time to head over to the checkout page. This is where all the magic happens. By going to checkout, you're preparing to finalize your purchase and apply that promo code. Now, let's take a moment to review the items in your cart. It's always a good idea to double-check that you have selected the correct sizes and quantities. This small step can save you from potential hassle later on. Ensuring everything is correct before proceeding can help you avoid any unwanted surprises. After your review, it's time to move on to the payment section. Open this section to reveal more options for completing your purchase. This is where you'll find the necessary fields to enter your payment information and, crucially, your promo code. Keep your focus here as this section holds the key to unlocking your discount. Next, click on the link that says, "Do you have a gift card, product voucher, or promo code?" This action expands a field where you can enter your promo code. It's designed to make things straightforward, so don't worry about getting lost. This step is crucial because it's where you officially apply your discount. Once you click that link, it's time to carefully enter your promo code. Make sure you type it exactly as it appears, with no extra spaces before or after. Accuracy is key here. A small typo can prevent the code from working, so double-check your entry. Now, click the Apply button. This action will validate your promo code and adjust the total amount in your cart accordingly. If everything is correct, you'll see the discount reflected in your total. It's a small click that makes a big difference by ensuring your savings are applied. Finally, with the promo code successfully applied, you're ready to complete your order. Proceed by following the remaining prompts to finalize your purchase. You should see a confirmation screen once your order is complete. Congratulations! You've successfully applied a promo code to your Nike purchase. Remember, using promo codes is a smart way to save money. It's always worth checking for available codes before finalizing any online purchase. This simple habit can lead to significant savings over time. Thank you for joining today's guide. With these steps, you'll confidently apply promo codes on Nike in no time. Enjoy your shopping and the savings that come with it.